Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily disable Windows 11 search indexing. So what you want to do, and it's pretty straightforward video, you want to go to the bottom, to the search button, and then right here indexing options. Click on it. Now when you do it, you're going to see the indexing options right here. And you want to click on modify. Double click on like your disk here. Click users. And unclick users. And then just like press OK. So that's pretty much it how you do it. I'm not going to do it because like that, but you can do like unclick search users in your main where is your Windows located. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.